Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Tinkercad where you'll learn how to convert 2D images into 3D designs that can later be printed. So let's go ahead and get started. If you click on the import option, top right corner, you'll get to see which file formats are supported and how Tinkercad does not allow files more than 25 MB to be uploaded. So we're going to learn how to convert 2D images with .svg extension into 3D designs. So let's go ahead and get started. Now there are two ways to do that. First one is you convert your normal image into an SVG file and then import it here. And the other one is that you download an image that already is in SVG file format. So there are a number of sites where you can download files that already have SVG extensions to them. And there is this site that I use for converting images to SVG. You can choose file here and then start conversion, and you need not change these, and then you can later download. So I'm going to put a link of this particular site in the description. Okay, so since I have already converted my image into an SVG file, let us just click on import, choose a file, and let's see, let's start with Superman. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like, and let's just reduce the length and width to 100 each. Okay, and just click on import and just give it some time to process, and the moment it is done, it is going to reflect on your work plane. Okay, so this is what that image got converted into, and this is how it looks like. You can also put it on circular base sort of. For that, just make necessary dimensional changes to it, and we're good to go. Just increase the number of steps for a smoother finish, and just lift it above the ground. Place this one right below it, so that way you can create a badge sort of. Let's not rely on our settings and click on align, and yeah. So we need to bring this down now, and let's just immerse it in the background. If you notice, we can decrease the let's just align them again. Okay, so the align is not working in this case. We might have to manually place it, and this tells me okay, 110 would do fine. Now let's just okay, yeah. This is how you can convert your 2D images into 3D printable objects. Let us try one more. Choose a file, and let's try a minion this time. So this is what it's going to look like. Let's change it to 150 each and see what comes out. just give it some time to process. In the meanwhile, we can, oops, so it is there, and this is what it. Let's group these two together, and this is what our minion looks like after getting converted from a 2D image into a 3D file. And yeah, so you can go ahead, try converting your normal 2D images into first SVG files and then later importing them on Tinkercad and seeing how the design comes out. There is one more thing that you can do, which is the scribble, which means that you can print whatever you draw. Now, since I'm not that steady at drawing, I'll just show you something that could be done out of it. Yeah, so let's just watch a preview of how it is going to look like and just click on done. So that is something you can draw and have as a 3D object on your work plane. So that's it. Give your images a try, converting them to 3D. That's it for today. Thank you. Happy tinkering.